Hi Hair Bestie, did you know the Wig Spa does human hair repairs as well? So this was a lace wig, a full lace, that needed a ton of ventilating and it needed a new hairline. So we gave it a new hairline, I bleached the knots, and I ventilated in a ton of new hair into this wig. This wig now looks brand new. It also had a color refresh. So my client has it now and she absolutely loves it. She said it looks great. You can ship your wig to me anywhere from Canada and I will repair it for you. Love you lots.